Hi, this is YinYang monk. Today, I will guide you with my own voice. Let's breathe together, gently and slowly. Let's practice one of the basic breathing techniques in Keiraku meditation, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. In this session, we will inhale for 8 seconds and exhale for 8 seconds. First, find a comfortable seated position. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Now let's begin. Slowly breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slowly breathe out through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again to help you find your rhythm. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you start to get the feeling, let's add abdominal movement. As you inhale, gently expand your belly. As you exhale, slowly pull your belly in. Let's try this together. Inhale through your nose. Expand your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale through your nose. Pull your belly in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale and exhale your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale and pull your belly in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to continue this breathing each day, even for just a minute or two. You will begin to feel Ki gently flow throughout your body. In our next video, we'll explore how Keiraku breathing also uses the brain and how to activate it during your practice.